Are you ready? Stand by.
Keeping in mind that this is supposed to be practical shooting, and